Why does my recursive function with if-elif statements return none? I'm currently trying to wrap my head around learning Python, and I've come to a bit of a stall on recursive functions. In Think Python, one of the exercises is to write a function that determines if number a is a power of number b using the following definition. A number, a, is a power of b if it is divisible by b and ab is a power of b. Write a function called is underscore power that takes parameters a and b and returns true if a is a power of b. The current state of my function is as it is. This produces the result I expect. However, the chapter is focused on writing recursive functions to reduce redundancy, and I'm not quite sure how I can turn the final ab %b == 0 into a recursion. I've attempted. But that just returns none. What is the proper way to recurse this function?
You are forgetting a base case, when a equals 1. However, this has some other problems. If a is 0, then it will never finish, and if b is 0, then you will get a divide by 0. Here is a verbose solution that, as far as I can tell, will work for all integer combinations. Edit, my code didn't work for cases when both a and b are negative. I'm now comparing their absolute values. Edit 2, silly me, x to the power of 0 == 1, so == 1 should always return true. That also means I don't have to compare a to b before the recursion. Thanks at Javier.
You need an additional case, for when both conditionals return false.
Here is my code. From what I tested, it works.